Are you worried about technical support after installing your laser machine? Don't worry, you're in the right place. You're on the FORZA Laser channel. At FORZA Laser, we're with you from the very first call you receive from one of our advisors. The day your machine is installed is a memorable one for many of our clients. Some have even celebrated with fireworks. Today, I want to tell you why FORZA is FORZA. It's simple, our 360-degree installation and the best laser technical support in the world. We offer two types of technical support. Number 1, Super 7 support. Technical responses in no more than 7 minutes. Our team of laser specialist engineers will be looking out for you and the performance of your equipment. Number 2, on-site assistance in less than 48 hours. If your machine needs any replacement part, one of our engineers will arrive with everything necessary to keep your machine running. And best of all, in less than 48 hours. Plus, one of our secrets is that all our machines come with a real 4-year warranty on every component. That's right, on every component, including the head and the resonator. This is how we protect your investment. When it comes to warranty, you won't have to deal with the typical factory warranty. This is a FORZA Laser warranty. We take care of making sure your machine works for you 24/7. But that's not all. At FORZA Laser, we're with you every step of the way, from training and design and marketing to providing free vectors and cutting parameters. Now, let's talk about the 360 service, which covers the entire process for a successful installation of your machine, starting with a pre-installation video or visit, transportation and forklift, delivery of the machine to your workplace, and both electrical and pneumatic installation. Everything needed to ensure a successful setup. Once the machine is installed, one of our expert engineers will provide in-person training to your team. At FORZA Laser, we want you, as our customer, to be 100% focused on your business, and we'll take care of installing your machine. All of this is thanks to our team of expert laser engineers in the development and technology department. With FORZA Laser, you not only acquire a machine, but a complete experience and a reliable partner on your path to growth. I'm Mari from FORZA Laser. If you've made it this far in the video, it's because you're interested in laser technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.